Welcome to an exploration of one of the greatest creative returns in modern business history. This is the story of Steve Jobs and his unique fusion of technology and Japanese aesthetics. His dramatic return to Apple marked a pivot, not just for the company, but for the entire industry. Jobs returned to Apple to start the ha or break phase, shattering conventions and challenging the status quo. True progress demands that we shatter conventions and discard traditional rules that no longer serve innovation. Jobs didn't just build computers, he sought to infuse them with a philosophical depth, borrowing heavily from Japanese aesthetic principles. He integrated the precise, clean spirit of the katana, the samurai sword, into the elegant curves and transparency of the iMac. Think vibrant colors, the sleek feel of 1980 Sony products, and the powerful patterns of ukiyo-e art, all informing the iMac's birth. His focus was on the essence. He chased what truly mattered, embodying the soul of innovation. He realized that true innovation isn't adding more features. It's stripping away the unnecessary until only the soul of the product remains. From our perspective, this level of focus subtraction in a highly competitive tech world is incredibly rare and deeply effective. Jobs' journey included failure, but he didn't see those cracks as endpoints. He embraced a principle known as Kintsugi. He treated his past failures, his initial departure from Apple, like a cracked tea bowl, recognizing that the flaws enhance the object's history. He chose to repair those cracks and scars not by hiding them, but by illuminating them with the gold of experience, making the object even stronger. This ability to honor tradition while accelerating toward the future is what made his second act so revolutionary. In Japan, we see his ability to merge ancient aesthetics with future tools as deeply impressive and highly influential. He proved that to successfully change the future of technology, you must deeply understand and appreciate the inherent beauty of the past. Steve Jobs' legacy is defined not just by products but by a philosophy. He was no longer just a businessman. He was an artist practicing the Kintsugi of technology, making the repaired whole more beautiful than the original. Now we ask you, what is one traditional rule in your field that you believe needs to be broken for true progress? Let's discuss below.